Now let's work on another example with string processing. So suppose we want to print the abbreviation of the month that corresponds to a given month number. So first thing we should do is we should store all the names of the months abbreviated in one big string from Jan all the way to the Des for December. We should then input a month number as an integer, a value between 1 and 12, and then use the month number as an index for slicing the string. And to get the correct position, subtract 1 from the month number and then multiply by 3. So the month abbrev is a variable will be months from whatever the position is plus the next 3 letters. So here's a table that shows each month with the month number and the position where they will start. So let's do this together. You could stop the video and try this on your own and then come back and then continue watching. So let's do this together. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I have a file here already, which I'm going to save as month.py. So here's my file. Okay, so and I'm gonna create a main function, and in the main function, first thing I want to do is I want to create a month variable which will have all the months abbreviated. Then I'm going to input n is an integer input. Then I'm gonna say enter a month number. Then I'm gonna help user to prompt the user with 1 to 12. So these are the valid month numbers. Next, we need to create a position variable, or we need to calculate a position variable. Position will be as suggested in the slide. So month number minus 1 times 3. If the user enters 1, so that's 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 times 3 is 0, and that's January. That's where January starts. If the user enters 2, that's 2 minus 1, and 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 is where February starts, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. And if the user enters 12, that's 12 minus 1, 11. 11 times 3 is 33. And 33 is where December, D for the December starts. So that's how we calculate each position. Now we need to get month abbrev, that's a variable, which is going to slice a month from the month's string variable. So what we should do, we should start with position, go all the way to position plus 3. Starting from the position and next 3. All right, good so far. Let's print it now. Now we can say the abbreviation is followed by month abbrev. Maybe we can say plus. A concatenation is happening here, and that's it. So you can also, instead of using comma, we can actually concatenate here as well, since this is a string, this is a string, and this is a string, and I can leave a space here. Now let's call the main function. Month.py. So enter a, let's start from the first one. It's Jan. Let's do the second one. That's February. Looks good. Let's do 11. That's November. Let's do 12. And that's December. So that's how we could do it. So one weakness of this method is that it can only work where the potential outputs have all the same length. So, but in the reality, we know from the month name really have an arbitrary number of characters.